Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to look or search for jobs in United States and Canada. So let's get started. The website that a great website for job search in these countries, it's called www.indeed.com. I'll have the link on the description. This is their logo. And let's see, so here you can post a job or you can search for a job. If you're working for any of your company and you're looking for other people to join your company, you can post a job here, or you can sign in here and upload your resume to their system. And mostly the good thing about this website is they will recommend your resume to other recruiters, so the recruiter can directly contact you. And here you see find jobs, company reviews. You can find mostly when you're applying for a job, so before applying you can review the company, that how those company are like doing, is the employee happy with them, how's their rating, and find salaries. If you're looking for a specific salary range, you can click here, and here on what you can mention the job titles, keywords, or company that you're looking for, and where is the city, state, or zip code. Like here it's New Jersey, so you can just type your city and then look for jobs, find jobs, and you will get it. So let's see something here. IT support. Let's look. Let's leave this at the same, which is Newark, New Jersey. So let's say find jobs. Okay, here you can see, you can select like the distance of the job from you, salary estimate, job type, location, company, experience level. So here you can see desktop support specialist, and the company rating is 3.9, which is not bad. And then so that's how. With this one that you can see like easy applies. So from this one, if you have your resume uploaded to the Indeed website, here it's so easy to apply for this job directly. You don't need to go to their web page or fill up all the forms for them. You can easily upload your resume and they will get back in touch with you. So that's the benefit of Indeed, that you can use it like easily apply, and it's so easy to apply. Let's click on this one and see. So see, this is the company name, Fairfield, New Jersey. This is the amount that they're paying per year. Overview, and you can see all the skills that they need. And from here you can, let's say, apply now. See here, you can see your name, email, phone number, choose resume. If you don't have an account, you can still upload a resume from here and then hit the continue. But if you have an account, you can just like sign in or create one now. No resume, create one now. You can create it here, add a cover later, and that's how this works. I hope you like this video. Please let me know if you know any other websites that they're recruiting or they have jobs for people to apply. I'll be glad to have that and introduce it to the people. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.